Looking for how to fix Samsung Gallery not showing photos or Samsung Gallery photos disappeared problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now tap on apps. Now tap on search gallery. Tap on gallery. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on permission. Allow all permission. Now tap on three line. Tap on show system apps. Tap on OK. Now search for system UI. Tap on system UI. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Tap on force stop. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open gallery app. Now I hope that this method fixes Samsung Gallery not showing photos problem.